The Italian word for yawn is
Sbadiglio.
masculine, plural.
Sbadigli. Sbadiglio.
Some common verbs used with sbadiglio include
Fare uno sbadiglio.
to yawn, a synonym of the verb
Sbadigliare. Trattenere uno sbadiglio.
to hold back a yawn,
Farsi scappare uno sbadiglio.
to let a yawn escape.
Tratteneva a stento uno sbadiglio mentre ascoltava il discorso.
He barely held back a yawn as he listened to the speech. A big yawn can be referred to as,
Un grosso sbadiglio.
or more simply, a,
Sbadiglione.
with the augmentative ending, one. We all know that yawns are caused by well-known factors such as a lack of sleep
Mancanza di sonno.
or boredom,
Noia.
but they can also be triggered by hunger
Fame.
or digestion issues.
Problemi di digestione. Quanti sbadigli che fai? Scusa, non ho chiuso occhio tutta la notte.
You're yawning a lot. Sorry, I didn't sleep all night.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.